Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn amazing shortcut keys about Save As and Print Preview in Microsoft Excel. Most of the people don't know about the shortcut keys Save As and Print Preview. Let's know. The shortcut keys of Save As is F12. If you want to save this document in another name, you can use this key. Just press F12 for Save As. You can type here different name and click save. It will save in different name. The second shortcut key is Ctrl F2 for print preview. If you want to view your print, you can press Ctrl F2. Just press Ctrl F2. It will display the preview. And you can set the option of print here. Just press escape key to exit the print preview option. Both of key is very useful to save your time. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.